We set out on an adventure to Arkansas, going to Caddo River that starts in the Washita Mountains. It's 82 miles long, and on this trip, we paddled 16 miles. We started on the Swinging Bridge launch point and took out at Amity Access Point. As we arrived at our takeout spot in the pouring rain, I wondered if we made a grave mistake. Unfortunately, for the first day, most of my footage was lost to the gorgeous clear waters and the giant fishes that we saw. It was just breathtaking and only will be remembered in my memory. Our shuttle has arrived.
Don't get any bright ideas.
What? Bright ideas? This guy thinks he's funny. The Caddo River was named after the Caddo American tribe that dwelled there. Ryan couldn't find his seat, and look where he left it on that whole trip.
Oh my God, thank God.
Like, thank gosh it did not fall. Since we launched from Swinging Bridge, we gotta go through this bog, he said. All right, we made it out of that. It's pretty brutal. Now we're to the actual river, and it is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. We're on the Caddo River in Arkansas.
We're gonna make it to camp.
I'm gonna sit down with you.
It feels.
Oh! Oh, you have a butterfly on your head. Hi, butterfly. Woohoo!
You only get one shot, everything to lose. Lord, take me now, I'm broken and bruised. Can you save my soul, 'cause I need you.
This is a John Wayne. It's Marine Corps John Wayne. Can be used to open cans. You just take this little edge here, you put it over the side of the can, you just work your way around, it opens it right up.
Wow.
Dead Duke.
I'm no good, and I'm
So I bought a freeze dryer so I could, for many reasons, but one of the main reasons was to take camping meals. So this is completely preserved and everything, good for 25 years at room temperature or whatever. And this one is taco meat. That's salsa, cheese and sour cream, tortillas, and taco meat. Here we go.
You only get one shot, everything you lose. Lord, take me now, I'm broken and bruised. Can you save my soul, 'cause I need you.
Is our sourdough that have been risen overnight is ready. It's double its size from the marked rubber band. Is drop an egg in it. Right into the jar. One little packet of salt and one little packet of sugar in it. And so your dough is a consistency of the pancake batter.
Yum.
And all you do is just pour it.
There you
go.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Neal. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Eating this for breakfast.
Okay, so you're looking at the radar. So.
Yeah, so we're there. See, there's a big, this is a big storm up here, but see that little edge? That's what's moving
It's gonna,
toward.
yeah, it's gonna skim us.
And then there's
we
nothing
can
else
fly.
out to the side again.
We're not getting the hard stuff.
Hey, just the
Just the tip, and it's
Just the
not even
tip.
the hard stuff.
Starting to thunder.
Oh wow, they're really booking it.
This is real time. That's how fast the clouds are actually moving. Our tent just blew away. I have it. a tip? What happened to just the tip? Don't know if I've addressed this. I have a hole in my kayak, and Nico amazingly patched it up, did an amazing job. Saw all those rocks I hit, so I got another hole. So I got a cup instead of bilging it, and I'm hoping that does it. Well, that didn't go well, because I have a hole in my rapid, it's filled with water. I try to turn, and there's no way I can turn, so that tree caught me and dumped me, and I went down with my body all the way. Whew. One on that, it broke off.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's tip it.
You only get one shot, everything to lose. Lord, take me now, I'm broken and bruised. Can you save my soul, 'cause I need you.
Well, thanks to Brett and Ryan for dumping all the water out of my kayak. We're good to go for a little bit, and I'm down one GoPro, so who knows what footage all that was that I lost, but oh well, here we are, beautiful sunshine. Let's do this.
Right in between that spot.
All right.
Then go to the left.
Oh no, oh no.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go left.
Yeah. It was fun though. Thank you for your guide.
So I packed my things and headed toward the sun. They chased me up and down the coastline. Tried to run, but they won't ever let me go. They won't ever let me go.
Woohoo! Woohoo! I got some water on that one. Yeah, yeah. Are you having fun?
Oh yeah,
What's been your favorite part so far?
thunderstorm.
Tell me all the things I need to stay alive. I feel
We love it. Caddo River was the wonderful peak.
Woo! The river claimed another victim. That tree branch just so fast and flipped Ryan and Neal. And his kayak's full of water. He lost his cell phone.
Wow, that dude just popped.
He saved his beer. Oh, that one just popped. Oh, that one just popped. We have made it halfway. This is the halfway bridge. Okay, we're gonna hopefully find a camp spot soon wherever Brett and Lina went, and then make some food. I'm hungry. Well, we can add 2 more things lost. We lost Ryan's Costas, and we lost the bilge pump, and it just disappeared. we just arrived at our camp spot for the night and it started raining. Not very much, but oh my gosh. Can't make this stuff up. Well, here's our soaking wet tent. We're hoping to let it dry a little bit in the rain. Due to so many factors, Ryan and I have decided we're gonna go ahead and paddle, hopefully only an hour back to the car.
You guys are troopers.
All right, so the next one. Guys! Woo!
Thank you for coming.
Back on Calamina Gorge too.
Woo! Yeah.
Paddle
Bye.
with you guys anytime.
There goes the crane, and I think above it there's a bald eagle possibly. There it is! I see it! There it is! Right there! Look at that baby. That's a bald eagle. That is a... Oh, there it goes. There it goes. So we're trying to beat the thunder and the rain, but it's currently thundering now behind us. So hopefully we stay safe and make it home. We arrived in rain and we left in rain. My GoPro battery died or I would have filmed it, but it was just torrential downpour. It was crazy. So now we're gonna go to Fish Nest in Glenwood to go eat with Neal. So I got the boiled shrimp and I already started eating the baked potato and a salad. Ryan and Neal got the buffet. It has all sorts of yummy stuff in it.